Hi guys, so this is the second part of the lesson number 3. Yes, lesson number 3. Okay, I did A, B, C parts, right? In here you have to do D and E. Okay, let's go to subtraction now. 45 minus 35, how much? Yeah, 10. Let's write it here. Okay, 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. So that is 10. Fine. Go. Yeah, go. Okay. 87 minus 69, how much? 18, right? Right. 87 minus 69 is 18. 49 minus 38, 11. 99 minus 55, 44. 63 minus 17. See, 7 is bigger than 3, right? So you need to take 1 from here. Okay, that is 13. You have to subtract it from 13. Here 5 will remain. 13 minus 7, how much? How much? 6, right? 6. You have to write 6 here. And 5 minus 1, 4. That means 46. Okay. If you add now, both should end up 46 and 17. Okay. Their sum should end up at 63. 6, 7 plus 6, 13. 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 6. Okay. Right. Now 70 minus 9. How much? Now subtract 70 minus 10. How much? Yeah, 60. Since 10 is 1 higher than 9, you have to add 1, right? 61. That's it. Okay. Otherwise, in the other way, 10 minus 9, 1. Here 6 will remain. Subtraction of 3-digit number without regrouping. 5 minus 4. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, wherever it is. 5 minus 4, 1. Yeah, 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. Okay. This one is 8, this one is 4, this one is 5. 845. Now remove 3 in 100. Oh, in Avogadro's method, if you remove 3 here, you will get 5. Now remove 4 here, you will get 0. And remove 4 here, you will get 1. Okay. In either way, you will get 501. See, after removal, this will be the picture. Okay. Subtract 213 from 735. 5 minus 3, how much? 2. Keep 2 here. 3 minus 1, again 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. Subtract ones, subtract tens, subtract hundreds. Okay. Subtract the following numbers. 544 minus 23. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 5, 21. Okay. 765 minus 401. This is also simpler. You can do it. This one is also simpler. Okay. Subtract 138 minus 264. It is little bit tricky right now. Since 8 is higher than 4, you need to take 10 here, 10 from here. 14 minus 8, how much? 6, right? 6. You have to place 6 here. Now, since you took 1 from here to get 14. Here 5 will remain. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so 126. Now we add 8, 6, 8 plus 6, 14, 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Yeah, 1, 1, 2. Same, whatever I told you, the same is given in the picture format. Okay, this is step 1. You have to take 1 from here. 6 becomes 5. Okay, 14 minus 8, 6. Now 5 minus 3, 2. Like that. 2 minus 1, 1. 126. Subtract the following numbers. Now we have to follow the same method because this one is bigger than this one. So 10 minus 3, 7. Place 7 here. Okay. Since you took 10, right, you have to cross it. Okay. At least initial days you follow this method. After that crossing is may not be needed because you got acquainted with it, right? 3. Now 3 is also smaller than 5. Now you have to take 1 from here. 13 minus 5 how much? Right, come on, tell me. 13 minus 5, not 7, 8. Okay, 8. Okay, sorry for that. This is 8. Now this will become 4, right? That will become 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, now you add up, you have to get 3, 540. 3 plus 7, 10, 1. 6 plus 8, 14, 1. Yeah, right, we are quite right. Similarly, B bit 15 minus 8, how much? 7. Okay, now you have to cross this one because you took 1 from here, right? So this becomes 5. 5 minus 3, 2. So you have to place 2 here. 7 minus 4, 3. Okay, I hope you guys followed it. Okay, so I think you can do C bit in a similar way. In a similar way, it is little tricky. Let me do it for you. Okay, to take 1 from here, there is no 1 here, right? No 10. Okay, that is the trick here. Let's see how it ends up. Anyway, we will take 1 only. 15 minus 6, how much? Yes, 15 minus 6. Right, 15 minus 6 is, you cannot take 5 minus 6, right? You cannot take a bigger number from a smaller number. So 15 minus 6, how much? 9, right? So keep 9 here. Now you have to take 1 from here, 100, right? Okay, now you already took 10, 110 from here, so this becomes 90. So here you have to cut 0, you have to add 9. Okay, since we took 100 from here, okay, what we took is 100 from here, 110 we gave here to 15, this becomes 90 and this becomes 700. Okay, that was the story. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Yeah, 5. 7 minus 2 is also 5. Now you add these two, you should get 805. 9 plus 6, 15, 5, 1. 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8. Right. Okay. Addition and subtraction using the standard algorithm. Adding and 5 plus 6 11 1, 7 plus 3 plus 1, like this, 1, okay, 6 plus 1 plus 1, 8, okay. Subtract 386 from 724. This is the method we have been following, right? Fourteen minus 6 8, okay, 1 here. Again 11 minus 8, how much? 3. 6 minus 3 3, 338, right? 452 mangoes are grown in farm A and 349 in farm B. Find the total number of mangoes grown in both farms. Add these two. That's it. 9 plus 2, 1, 1. 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10, 1, 8. 801, correct. Amudan saved rupees 125 on the first day and rupees 200 in the second day. Find the total amount saved by him in 2 days. First day saving 125. We have to write 125. Second day saving 200. Okay. Now add these two. 5 to 3. 325. Okay. 325. Kumar earned rupees 800 in a day and spent 450 rupees. Find the amount saved by him. How much is he earned? He earned 800. How much he spent? 450. 800 minus 450, how much? 800 minus 400 is 400. 400 minus 50 is 350. So 350. Okay. Frame questions for addition and subtraction for the picture below. One is done for you. Rani chose 2 shirts from the hanger and 3 shirts from the rack. Find the total number of shirts chosen by him. This is Rani, right? It should be her, not him. Okay, Rani chose 2 shirts from the hanger and 3 shirts from the rack. Find the total number of shirts chosen by her. 5. 3 plus 2. Okay. Frame the questions related to the given addition and subtraction facts. There were 10 eggs, 10 egg trays, each with 10 eggs in 4, 3, yeah, 10 eggs in Valvan's egg shop. He sold eggs in 3 trays and found that eggs in 2 trays were rotten. Find the number of eggs remaining in Valvan's shop. Total number of eggs in Valvan's shop 100 kada. That is 100. Isn't it? 10 into 10, right? 10 trays, 10 eggs each. Number of eggs sold plus number of eggs rotten. Number of eggs sold, 3 trays means 30. It is getting dirty. Yes, rotten. How many trays are rotten? 2 trays. That means 20. So what is the total number of eggs sold plus rotten? 30 plus 20, 50. Number of eggs remaining, you have to subtract 50 minus 100. Sorry, you have to subtract 50 from 100. Remaining will be not 100, 50. Okay. And now you have to frame the questions. Estimate the sum and difference of the two given numbers by rounding off to nearest tens and hundreds. We can see that 17 is between 10 and 20, but it is closer to 20 than 10. 17 is rounded up to 20. Okay. 24 is between 20 and 30, closer to 20, it is rounded to 20. Estimate the sum by rounding off to the nearest value and find the actual sum. Find the sum and difference of the following. This is easy. This one also, sum you can easily do. Difference, let me take, let me solve for at least one. 11 minus 5, 6. Cut down this 8, this becomes now 7. Okay, place 7 here. What is 7 minus 6? 7 minus 6 is 1. So here you have to write 1. 9 minus 1, 8. See, that was simple. Okay. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10 and also find the actual sum. Those problems you can do. They are not that much interesting, right? Difference also you do. So this is the end of lesson 2. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys. Nandri. Vanakkam.